Hey, Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, ulnarlawncare.com. Tyler's back there working. Hey, we are at our first Christmas light install for the 2020 season. So stick around. We'll kind of show you how we're doing it. All right, be right back.
I can't wait for the weekend, waking up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side. What a night. Oh, girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. 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 Yeah. Just wanna have a holiday. Yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday.
Yeah, there you go. I got the sound off so I can use it deer hunting.
Oh yeah.
And I usually know by the blinks what it's doing.
Are you just stopping halfway?
Nope, we're gonna start at the corner.
Oh, that corner?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I thought I was...
No, we're not doing the peak. She didn't want it. I offered it. She didn't want it. So we'll take this, and she just wanted the straights done right now,
Yeah.
but she added the doors afterwards. So the doors we're just gonna staple up around. Which I hate doing, but it's really the only option we got.
Yeah.
Alright, so we gotta get the extension ladder for that. Now she doesn't have gutters. If she had gutters, I'd put that thing on there because that thing sets it on the roof, not the gut. We don't dent gutters. Still have gutters, I'm not too worried about it. All right, boss, here we go. See what I'm doing right now? Don't do that. Hey, long dogs, we're all done. Red, white, and green. All the way across the top, and then the doors are around with C9. The doors, I got C7 around them. So a little bit smaller, but they still kind of give the same appearance. So we'll see what this looks like at night at a later date. We're done. We're going home. It's starting to rain. And yeah, but there it is. Exciting, exciting. First house done for the Christmas season. And got the timer and the GFCI set up over there, so she don't have to do nothing. All right, we'll be back. So hey Tyler, for your first Christmas light install, what do you think?
I think it went pretty well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Not too bad, is it?
Yeah, I think we'll get into a better groove next time.
Yeah, it took a little longer than we hoped. And but looks good. I'm wanna. What we'll do is we always drive by, man. I always have to show the bunch kid. Oh, we're out this way. Let's go drive out this house. I'll show it to you. But all right, guys. So we got a couple more to do this year, so you'll see those footage. But we're gonna get out of here and head home. So, hey, long dog. So we're back at this house, and it's raining, so we're not mowing today. But we missed that peak behind us there, right there. Forgot to look at the picture, and I forgot we added that at the last minute. So we're gonna get that installed today, and I'll be back with you once it's done and show you what it is. Well, lawn dogs, the rain got too much, and we did finish, but we got out of there quick, so I didn't get a finished product of that light install. But it is done, and we're good to go. We got what, 5 more jobs to do for Christmas lights installed this year. So we're growing. So if you're watching this and you need a quote, give us a call. We'll hook you up. It'll look good too. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here, go do some paperwork at the house, and post this video. So hey, always remember, give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. Floyd, I'm out.